For operations and logistics leaders across heliports managing personnel, supply bases, and offshore installations, small scheduling slips escalate, raising costs and operational risk. Disparate vendors, manual handoffs, and siloed systems restrict coordination and slow decision-making. Crews wait, cargo misses windows, safety margins tighten, budgets feel it first. DaWinci consolidates personnel and cargo logistics into a single integrated workspace, aligned from planning through live operations. Centralize rosters, travel requests, scheduling, and dispatch, ensuring the right crew is in the right place on time. Standardize cargo workflows across hubs for consistent handoffs and fewer delays. Connect activity plans with real-time logistics, so personnel and cargo move in lockstep across flights and vessels. A single source for logistics, scheduling, and insight improves coordination while supporting safety and compliance. Trusted globally, millions of travels per year, tens of thousands of active users, and thousands of installations across leading operators. When you're ready to transform how personnel and cargo move across your operation, talk to our team.